Hello there. My name is Aida, a 2014 Beneteau Oceanis 45, and I've spent the last year sailing the Dream, owned by two young Americans who took a sabbatical year to explore the Mediterranean with me. Now, I'm anchored in Barcelona, waiting for my next captain. Could that be you? Let me tell you why I'm more than just a yacht. I'm a passport to freedom, connection, and unforgettable experiences. Step aboard and enter my heart, a light-filled saloon wrapped in warm mahogany tones and soft beige upholstery. I offer 4 comfortable double cabins and 2 well-appointed heads, giving you space for up to 8 people to sleep peacefully on board. In my galley, you'll find a gas stove with 2 burners, oven, fridge, and freezer, all ready to help you cook and entertain with ease. Hot water flows either via shore power or my engine's heat exchanger, so you'll never go without. Above deck, I'm every bit the capable cruiser. I boast a sleek white hull with teak accents in the cockpit and bathing platform. My dual helms offer precision control, and my spacious cockpit, complete with cushions, table and spray hood, is perfect for sundowners or starry night dinners. When you're ready for a dip, just drop the electric swim platform and step into the sea. I've even got a Kappa 2.4 metre dinghy and Honda 2.3 horsepower outboard on board, your chariot for exploring hidden coves and beachside towns. At my core is a reliable Yanmar 4 JH5E diesel engine, 53 horsepower, naturally aspirated, serviced most recently in May 2025. My Saildrive was updated in 2023, and my 3-blade fixed propeller is smooth and efficient. My mainsail was replaced in July 2023, and I wear a 2022 furling Genoa with a brand new furler added in 2025. I'm trimmed with Harken self-tailing winches and have an electric winch on the coach roof for easy handling. I have a bow thruster, max power, with a dedicated battery pack, overhauled in 2023, and my navigation suite includes B&G wind, depth and log, autopilot, a Simrad touchscreen plotter 2022, and dual plotters, one in the cockpit, one in the saloon. I carry all you need for comfort: 6 batteries, all new in 2023, 220-volt outlets throughout, solar panel and charger, Pioneer sound system with cockpit and saloon speakers, fans in all cabins, and a TV with antenna, 2 electric fridges, hot water, and a practical foot pump in the galley round out my utilities. For safety, I have a 10-person life raft, serviced May 2024, life jackets, fire extinguishers, checked 2024, EPIRB, first aid kit, fire blanket, horseshoe buoy, and emergency tiller. My last antifoul was May 2024. My twin anchors, a delta with 80 metres of chain and a kedge with chain and rope, give you security wherever you choose to drop the hook. I'm a cruiser with stories to tell, ready for more memories to be made. Whether you're looking for a live-aboard escape, a charter-ready layout, or a seaworthy adventure vessel, I'm your girl. Contact Network Yacht Brokers Barcelona to arrange a viewing or ask for more information. I'll be waiting here, sails trimmed, spirit open.